Meaning of diatomic.
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 Diatomic. The term diatomic refers to a molecule made up of two atoms of the same or different chemical elements that are covalently bonded together. These types of molecules are commonly found in nature, such as in gases like oxygen, O2, and nitrogen, N2. Diatomic molecules are important in many chemical processes and play a crucial role in atmospheric and biochemical reactions. The study of diatomic molecules is essential in understanding chemical bonding and molecular structure, and has applications in fields such as medicine, environmental science, and materials science.